Agriculture is one continuous journey. From field to factory, every harvest begins in the field. Every outcome is shaped in the factory. But the data across value chain, field teams making decisions, harvest planning, factory operations are disconnected, operating in isolation, leading to inefficiencies and lost value. Introducing Stoma Suite, an AI-powered solution that connects the complete agricultural value chain. Stoma Suite transforms fragmented data into smarter decisions and measurable business outcomes. Stoma Sense, AI that transforms field data into smarter farming decisions. It helps monitor crops' health to monitor field conditions, yield prediction for better planning before harvest, irrigation optimization to improve water usage through AI recommendations, harvest planning to improve cane quality before it reaches the mill, resulting in yield recovery, irrigation cost reduction, harvest crops at peak quality, chemical cost reduction, and more. The journey doesn't end at harvest. It continues inside the mill. That's where Stoma Insight takes over, AI-powered factory intelligence that transforms operational data into smarter decisions. It continuously analyzes mill operations and helps improve and monitors operations, detects process drift early, and provides actionable recommendations that improve recovery, throughput, and energy efficiency without disrupting existing control systems, resulting in crop recovery point improvement, reduced downtime, improved throughput, better energy efficiency, and more. Organizations no longer need disconnected systems. Instead, one AI suite delivers connected intelligence across agriculture operations. Together, Stoma Sense optimizes what happens in the field. Stoma Insight optimizes what happens inside the mill. Together, they form Stoma Suite, connecting every stage of the sugar value chain with AI. AI for agriculture, from field to factory, smarter decisions, greater efficiency, and measurable outcomes.